Hello everybody. In today's video I just want to give a little update on what I'm going to be doing with this channel for the rest of the year to experiment what is I feel like is happening to this channel, because right now honestly this channel is not doing that great. I mean, a lot of it's my fault because I'm not putting out as much videos, but the videos I am putting out, a lot of y'all aren't looking at as much, so maybe I need to branch out away from just doing strictly YouTube content. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do more content for content creators just in general. So with that being said, I want to start looking at doing some tutorials for video editing, maybe doing some stuff with Photoshop. Might do some stuff with promoting videos again, so going back to like Google Ads for example, and then also just branching out and doing some other niche stuff, like maybe just doing some user generated content. So you know, maybe you're not building your own brand, but you're gonna go ahead and do some stuff for another company so they can use your face, image, likeness, right? So yeah, whatever I find, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all know, and then you can go ahead and figure out if you want to do that as well. So hopefully you'll look forward to this new direction that this channel is going in. Probably going to end up changing the channel name, so haven't come up with a name yet, but if you no longer see YouTube tutorials on your whether it be your phone or computer or whatever on your subscriptions, yeah, it'll be something else. I mean, I'll let y'all know beforehand what it's going to be. So you know, that's all I got to say for this particular video, but you can look forward to seeing something else very soon. Hopefully I'll have a few videos out next week. So with that being said, if you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. And yeah, I might bring back some things on as far as like doing maybe some giveaways. Maybe I'll do that. It's kind of up in the air, but let's, you know, we'll find out. Thanks for watching.